Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be planting my bush bean starts, and then I'm going to be sowing more bush beans, and that's called succession sowing. So I've got these bean starts that I started about a month ago, so they're ready to go in the garden. They've been transitioning for about a week now, and then after I plant those, I'm going to plant a round of seeds, and then the next week I'll be planting another round of seeds, and just keep that going, because the bush bean plants and mini bean plants do not produce the whole entire season. So you want to make sure you have an abundance of beans all season. You have to succession sow. Succession sow. That is such a hefty word. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So here's where the bush beans are going to go, and I'm also going to plant some nasturtium along the edges. I love the way nasturtium trails over the side of garden beds. It's so beautiful, and I've done it for the last few years and I love it. While I don't eat nasturtium, I don't really enjoy the taste of it. It is edible and easy to grow. The beans are all planted. These are the big kahuna bush beans. And then I planted the Alaska dwarf nasturtiums. And then we've got sweet peas in the back. And these are the edible kind. I do not grow the ornamental kind because I have a little one that likes to eat sweet peas, and I don't want any mistake between the edible and the inedible. So they'll grow up on this trellis, and then the beans will bush out and fill up this bed, and then the nasturtium will take over and trail along the outside. It's gonna be so beautiful, you guys. I hope you stay in touch and keep up with the updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.